Green tea. Green tea is made from the leaves of the Camellia sinensis plant, but the leaves are heated soon after harvesting to prevent heavy oxidation. This keeps the tea light in color, with a fresh, grassy, or slightly nutty taste. It has been an important part of Chinese tea culture for centuries, and later became deeply associated with Japan as well. Black tea. Black tea is made from the same tea plant, but its leaves are allowed to oxidize much more before they are dried. That process gives the tea its darker color, stronger flavor, and richer aroma. Black tea became especially popular in Britain and India, and today it is one of the most widely consumed types of tea around the world. Oolong tea. Oolong tea sits between green tea and black tea because its leaves are only partially oxidized. The amount of oxidation can vary greatly, creating teas that range from light and floral to dark and roasted. Oolong has a long history in China and Taiwan, where different regions develop their own distinctive styles. White tea. White tea is made from young tea buds and leaves that are handled very gently and usually undergo very little oxidation. It tends to have a delicate flavor with subtle floral or sweet notes.
Pu-erh tea. Pu-erh is a fermented and aged tea traditionally associated with Yunnan province in China. Unlike most teas, certain varieties can be stored for years, during which their flavor can change and become deeper and earthier. Pu-erh is commonly sold as loose leaves or compressed into cakes and bricks. Yellow tea. Yellow tea is a relatively rare style that is produced mainly in China. Its leaves go through a gentle extra step after heating, allowing them to develop a distinctive yellow color and a softer flavor than many green teas. Because production is limited and often requires careful processing, authentic yellow tea can be less common than other major tea styles. Matcha. Matcha is a powdered form of specially grown and processed green tea. The leaves are shaded before harvesting, then dried and ground into a very fine powder. Instead of steeping the leaves and throwing them away, the entire powder is mixed into water, giving matcha its vivid green color and concentrated taste. Jasmine tea. Jasmine tea is usually made by combining tea leaves, often green tea, with the fragrance of jasmine flowers. The flowers are placed with the tea repeatedly, so their aroma can be absorbed naturally. This traditional method has been practiced in China for centuries and produces a tea with a noticeable floral fragrance. Masala chai. Masala chai is a spiced tea traditionally made by simmering black tea with milk, water, and spices. Common spices include cardamom, cinnamon, cloves, ginger, and black pepper, although recipes vary from place to place.
It is especially popular across India and has become a familiar tea style in many countries. Earl Grey. Earl Grey is a black tea traditionally flavored with bergamot, a citrus fruit with a distinctive fragrant aroma. The combination gives the tea its recognizable citrus character while keeping the deeper flavor of black tea. It became particularly popular in Britain and is now widely sold around the world.